Hello trader, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix this issue of mt5 writing invalid. If you are trying to log into your mt5 and it is writing invalid, then this video will explain the reason why it is writing that invalid and also give you solution on how to fix it. First of all, the main reason why it's writing invalid is because you are putting the wrong server, the wrong login ID and also the wrong password. You understand? Once these things are wrong, it will write invalid for those of you that are using iPhone. Do you understand? So that's the next thing is just how, let me teach you how you can fix this particular issue. I'm using Deriv Broker because that's the broker I'm trading with. So now I've logged into my Deriv Broker. Now first thing you need to do if you're using Deriv Broker, but it's still the same thing for other brokers. Do you understand? First thing, if you're using Deriv Brokers, click on that red line at the left and then click on Traders Hub, then to take you to this particular place. Okay, let's say I want to connect my demo account to my mt5, then I'll go to CFD and then click on this place where they wrote open. Then once you click on that open, you see this place where they wrote broker, server, login ID and the password. Make sure this thing is correct, especially the login ID. Just copy the login ID, the rest you can easily memorize them. Do you understand? Then the password, in case you don't know the password, then you need to go and change the one that you need to go and change it and get the one that you can easily remember. This password you're using to log into your mt5 is actually different from the one you're using to log into your broker's account. You understand? They are different altogether. Now back to our mt5. Then once you're back to our mt5, go to this place where they wrote setting for iPhone users and then go to new account. Once you click on new account, then you see this place where that search menu there. That's where you go and search the name of your broker. Like I said, I'm dealing with Deriv, so I'm going to write Deriv. Then search for the name of the broker is deriv.com limited. So I'll go ahead and hit on deriv.com limited. Then the server is Deriv demo. Do you understand? That is how it was there. So make sure it's correct. Make sure that your server is correct. You understand? My own is Deriv demo. Make sure your own is correct. Then now let me impute the login ID the way it is at that particular place. So make sure it's correct. I'm just typing this one from my Android to my iPhone, so that's why. So once you input everything, go ahead and see this place where they wrote sign in. Go ahead and hit on it. Make sure you put the correct password. Very, very important. The password is different from the one you're using to log into your broker's account. Do you understand? So we have done that and we have logged in our mt5, our broker, to our mt5. As simple as that. So guys, just a quick one. I have a Telegram community where I always drop free signal and we trade currency pairs and synthetic indices here, and we are profitable in this particular group. So try as much as possible to join us. So here we trade synthetic indices. So if you don't have account with Deriv Broker, the link to open account with Deriv Broker is in the description of this particular video. So sign up with Deriv Broker and join us. Let's make this money together. If this video was helpful, I've learned how to fix your mt5 writing invalid. Please do me just one favor by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.